Hey, this is Alex here at Henricks Ford. Let me get you a quick little walk around here of our 13 Avalanche. I'll try and show as much as I can here for you. I know you're at a distance and just want to kind of get you an overall view here. Tires on it, all four look good. They all match. Look up underneath here. Everything looks good. Looks like the truck's been rust proof. I'll show you underneath here as well. Little spot of rust right there at the bottom. Not bad. It does look like it's been rust-proofed. Looks like it's in pretty good shape. Interior leather seats. Sunroof. Back seat. I did notice the service stability light is on. I'll point that out to you. It drives out fine. Back seat there. Coming around the back here. It does have the trailer plug kind of hanging down. Looks like the hitch had a little surface rust that's been painted. Frame wise underneath all looks pretty good. I'll get you a couple still pictures too. A little nick up here. A little bit of use marks there, but overall, for what it is, looks like a very clean vehicle. Any questions or if you want more additional information, just let me know. Thanks.